Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Sana Zafar and you're watching Stars of NUST. NUST के graduates are breaking grounds in all corners of the world. आज भी हमें एक और young star ने join किया है from Lahore. हमारे साथ हैं Mr. Umar Majid. Assalamu alaikum Umar. Thank you for joining us.
Walaikum salam. Thank you, Sana, for having me and making me part of this journey.
Umar ने NUST से graduate किया back in 2012 when he completed his degree in telecommunication engineering from Military College of Signals. Currently, he is founder and CTO of Detex.ai. आइए इनसे मिलते हैं. Umar, thank you. आपके साथ finally coordination हो गई and we are sitting down to have a meeting. How is Lahore? इस वक्त लाहौर की हमें scary news मिल रही हैं.
No, it's Lahore is as happening as always. So tech scene is on here. So yeah, weather was a bit harsh, but now it's like smog is almost gone. But and winter is coming.
चलें, smog settle हो जाए तो that's good news. प्लीज थोड़ा सा बताइएगा अपनी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी के बारे में स्टार्ट कीजिएगा. जब आपने नास्ट से ग्रेजुएट किया, क्या गोल्स थे, कहाँ आप अभी तक पहुंचे हैं? यू आर वेरी यंग, योर जर्नी हैज जस्ट स्टार्टेड, बट जितना भी आपने किया हम उसके बारे में पूछना चाहते हैं.
As you mentioned, like I'm currently the founder and CTO of Detix AI. So how I reached here, it's like I graduated from NUST in 2012, Military College of Signals. I did my major in telecommunication. So major like I did an interesting FYP final year project which shaped most of my career. So it was a mix of software and telecom.
Mm-hmm.
So after the graduation, I joined a software house based in Lahore. So I joined as an intern, but within a week I was promoted to full-time job, and I worked there for like 6 years. And primarily I was involved in geospatial analysis and data science projects there. So when I left that company, so I was leading the data science team. So I started from an intern, and then I was leading a team there. So during the 5th year of my career, I tried many things. So like I started a startup while working full time. So I started a startup. It was an anonymous social network for the universities. So anyone like without feeling being judged, they can talk about anything, any taboo and stuff like this. So this was the startup. Then I got married. So okay, and another highlight was that I applied to Amazon. So I made it to their final on-site interview, but I couldn't get selected there. But with that experience, I got selected as a software architect in an Austin-based company called Crossover.com. And next year, I was promoted as product chief architect there. So when I started Detix, Crossover.com, so that day we started Detix AI as well with my younger brother. And meanwhile, I was working with Crossover. So I resigned from Crossover 2 years ago, like last year. And now we are a company with 50 plus headcount and revenue in 7 figures.
माशाल्लाह, बहुत जबरदस्त जर्नी है आपकी. आप लोगों ने लेटली कोई अवार्ड्स भी विन किए हैं, उनके बारे में बताइएगा.
Yeah, so actually last year in the COVID, we participated in a hackathon called the Global Hackathon. It happened in Estonia. So our company was the only, like our team was the only team from whole Pakistan who won that award. So there were like more than 10,000 people participated from 92 countries, and we won that economy track basically, and the prize was 10,000 euro. And like 2 months ago, my younger brother, who's the CEO of the company, he got the Dynamic Entrepreneur of the Year award as well from the President of Pakistan. So these 2 awards we got recently.
माशाल्लाह, बहुत ज़बरदस्त बात है, बहुत खुशी की बात है. यू अचीव्ड सो मच इन सच अ शॉर्ट जर्नी ऑलरेडी. आप बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हैं. आई एम श्योर पीपल वुड लर्न फ्रॉम यू. थोड़ा सा बताइएगा अपनी जर्नी के बारे में. यू सेड यू स्टार्टेड अ स्टार्टअप अर्लियर एज वेल, देन यू came up with your own company. आपका हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट था that you wanted to work not for anyone else and have your own company, or did it happen over time?
Actually, like I think everyone in the world wants to be successful or like praised or like to earn more money. So, but in my case, my first priority was to get a job so that I can bear my expenses and grow technically. So my first priority was this. And then like, but in the final semester, I figured out that okay, I don't want to go into a corporate sector. I just want to do I want to join a software house basically, and then maybe if things go well, I can start my own company. But it was not my final goal. So my first goal was to have a handsome earning and where I can technically grow. Growing technically was my first priority at back that time. So, but then things eventually turned out this way, and even the companies I started them for just for the learning purposes, while having a full time job, not compromising on that job. So, I reduce my sleep so that I can work on some other interesting projects, my pet projects. Earlier, I used to do the projects on my own time, and they never went into production. But then I decided let's try, let's bring something to life, and it will give us some learning as well. So that was the motivation.
थोड़ा सा अपनी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बताइएगा, कितनी चीजें, कौन से ट्रेट्स आपको लगते हैं इनबॉर्न थे, हमेशा से थे, which help you achieve that, और कितनी चीजें जो आपको लगता है आपने ओवर टाइम थ्रू योर जर्नी, थ्रू योर स्टडीज लर्न की हैं? बिकॉज स्पेशली अंडरग्रेड टाइम में आई थिंक वी ऑल आर मोर और लेस द सेम. हम सोच एक तरह से रहे होते हैं, गोल्स डिफरेंट तरीके से डिफाइन कर रहे होते हैं, बट द जर्नी शेप्स क्वाइट अ फ्यू थिंग्स. सो what can you say about your personality traits at this point?
Okay, so I'm still exploring myself, to be honest. But the most dominating part about myself is that I'm not dominant at all. So I don't dominate. So I allow people around me to grow and take the lead, and then I work with them. So like my earlier startup, here I was also the CTO. I was not the CEO. Here in Datix as well, I'm not the CEO. I'm the CTO because I know I am kind of an introvert personality who talks with the computer. So it's not my forte to talk with to do communicate with people around. I'm still I'm trying my best to be social. So this part I think I should work more often. But this introvert part and being talking to computer, this really helped me a lot because I can sit for a long time and get the job done. So whenever young students ask me to they want to kind of software development, so I just ask them if you can sit 10 years in on your seat without taking off. So then you can do the software engineering. Otherwise, you can't do this. So if they come to me for the internship, I just make sure okay, watch the movies or whatever you do, just sit 10 hours daily on the seats. So this really helped me in because I was from a technical telecom background. I didn't know much about the software, so I learned that way, sticking to a computer, not going outside. So this really helped me.
Very interesting बात है क्योंकि normally we have the tendency to divide people in these groups of introverts and extroverts, and we kind of compel as a society, we kind of compel introverts to come out and to talk more and be more open and all. But clearly इसने आपको help किया है. It has its own advantages. Or we can't really say one set of skills is better than others. They're just two kind of people. और अगर आपको help किया है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. But again, you're saying that you are trying to be more social. So of course you're growing, you're exploring, and you're open to that option as well. So I think that's a good message here. थोड़ा सा आप मुझे बताइएगा कि आपकी जो जितनी जर्नी थी इसमें कितने डिसीजंस ऐसे थे या चॉइसेस आपको फेस करनी पड़ी जो आपको काइंड ऑफ हार्ड लगी, यू कुडंट डिसाइड एट वंस, और उनके कुछ प्रोज एंड कॉन्स डेफिनेटली ऐसे होंगे कि आप फौरन नहीं डिसाइड कर पाए होंगे. किस चीज ने आपको हेल्प किया टू टेक द राइट डिसीजन एट द राइट टाइम, एंड कैन यू थिंक ऑफ अ डिसीजन ऑफ एनी एग्जांपल यू कैन शेयर?
Yeah, definitely. From the MCS, we have also we are given preferences when we want to go to army, and because we have spent 4 years with the army, so we know we think like them, and we talk like them, and we walk like them. So this definitely helps us. So I had this option to join the Signals Corps when I graduated, and then I told you that my final year project, which was a mix of software and telecom. Let me mention that as well. I had the GSM, so I can listen the people making call around me. So that was my project, and we won that EME compact as well. So our project was the overall best project. So that time, so I had this option to go to any telco as well. Like my other project mates went there. Then I had an offer from Sparko, but due to my introvert nature, I knew that I won't excel in corporate sector. So I joined a software house as an intern. So and it's obvious that it played really well.
बहुत आपके आई वुड से डिफाइंड था पाथ कि यू न्यू यू व्हाट यू कैन डू व्हाट यू कांट. इतनी यंग एज में कई दफा इतना आसान नहीं होता टू जस्ट कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर इस स्किल की वजह से मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट यू डिड इट. आपको कोई गाइडेंस भी थी ऐसी या आपकी अपनी फीलिंग थी? हाउ डिड यू ऑल मैनेज ऑल ऑफ दैट?
Actually, like guidance, I would say like I lived in army personals, like in MCS, so I knew that how much they are earning and what's the bar. Like they were clearly like 7 to 8 years experience than me. So I didn't want it to be there like after 7 years. I wanted to achieve something bigger that time. But my first priority is love. But at the same time, I had to like guard my kitchen expenses and daily expenses as well. So I took this like path that okay, let's join a software house, which is good and which will because I knew that I can sit for hours in front of the computer, so I should choose that instead of going to any field job. So it was not defined that I'll do this way or I'll join this company or because I belong to a region where like I didn't know about the Nast as well. So okay, so
कहाँ से हैं?
I'm from Lodha, so it's near Bhavalpur. So when I didn't knew about Nast before I joined Nast, and I didn't enter into Nast on the Nast entry test. I was selected by Ministry of ICT and R&D for 100% scholarship for 4 years. So then I went into Nast. So and I chose telecom because it was electrical at our age. It was like that. You have to do electrical engineering. You will become SD or every like have a government job. But when I entered into NUST at the second semester, I realized that software development is something which I like. But we didn't get any much options in selecting the courses. But I made sure that I excel in the labs. So I didn't pay much attention to theoretical subjects, but my labs were always top.
ये तो आपने बहुत इंस्पायरिंग बात बताई है. आई डिडंट नो अबाउट दैट. ये तो बहुत जबरदस्त फैक्ट है कि आप कह रहे हैं कि यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री जहाँ पे शायद नास्ट का इतना नहीं पता. यहाँ वहाँ पीपल टेंड टू थिंक ओनली ऑन इन वन डायरेक्शन. जो आपने एसटीओ एंड गवर्नमेंट जॉब की बात की, एंड माशाल्लाह यू हैव एक्सेल्ड सो मच टुडे. ये तो बहुत फैसिनेटिंग बात है. आई एम श्योर पीपल लुक अप टू यू एंड सेट यू एज एन एग्जांपल ऑलरेडी. माशाल्लाह. आपने जितना भी, लाइक आई सेड, अभी आपकी जर्नी का स्टार्ट है. यू हैव अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो इंशाल्लाह, बट यू हैव अचीव्ड सो मच. आपने क्या समझा है? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज सक्सेस? कैन यू डिफाइन इट? कैन यू पुट इट इन वर्ड्स?
Like my current definition of success is that when people around you are happy and they feel happy being associated with you. You can't be rich, you cannot be rich, but the people around you are happy with you, and you are not enough that you don't have to compromise on your integrity. So this is my definition. Like you may earn small, you may earn big, but earn so much that you don't have to compromise on your integrity. So this is my current definition for past 3 years.
माशाल्लाह, बड़ी अच्छी डेफिनेशन है. इट मींस आप रूल्स को, आप प्रिंसिपल्स पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर रहे, एंड यू वांट टू मेक पीपल अराउंड यू हैप्पी. So which in turns makes you happy probably?
Yeah, definitely. Like I don't say that I don't compromise on rules, but there are certainly some don'ts which we don't do. Like do's we can or cannot do.
Rules, I mean principles, matlab not doing anything wrong.
Yeah, basic principles like so moral, ethical, and stuff like this.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आई थिंक इसीलिए अल्लाह ताला आपको नवाज भी रहा है, एंड यू आर गोइंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन कि यू नो कहाँ एथिकल बाउंड्रीज ड्रॉ करनी है और कहाँ आपने यहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना. सो विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक. इंशाल्लाह आगे आगे आप और सक्सेस अचीव करें. कोई टिप देना चाहेंगे आप यंगर ग्रेजुएट्स को, स्टूडेंट्स को जो इस सर्टन फील्ड में आना चाहते हैं या जनरली ग्रो करना चाहते हैं, अपना स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, और एनीथिंग?
So I would suggest them like if they are students, like if I were in their place, like at my time I used to bunk communication skills classes. So it's very important. Like it's just not like this that like you are technically good or you are excelling in your labs. So this doesn't mean like you should like even if it's social studies, so you should take those classes, make presentations yourself, so that you have concise thought and you can express yourself better. Otherwise, if you are technical genius and you cannot communicate with your peers, then things get difficult. So this is my number one advice to them. I think this is the last advice as well. So
I find it very interesting and very amusing because I taught communication skills to mechanical engineering students for 2 years, SMME में. And after a long time, I met quite a few of them at a wedding. और उनमें से बहुत लोगों ने मुझे आके कहा जो हमने आपने पढ़ाया था वो हमें अभी तक रोज काम आता है. And I was surprised because, like you said, engineers don't take these management courses, these communication skills courses seriously. But yes, they should be taken seriously. They do help you throughout. आप से एक और क्वेश्चन मैं करना चाहती हूँ, which is little different than your journey and all. आप कैसे देखते हैं जो आजकल हम बात बहुत करते हैं लेकिन आई डोंट नो प्रैक्टिकली कितनी होती है, जेंडर इक्वालिटी. और इक्वालिटी पे बात करने से पहले मैं थोड़ा सा क्लियर करना चाहूंगी अपने क्वेश्चन को. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं है. हमें पता है ओवरऑल पूरी दुनिया में, नॉट जस्ट पाकिस्तान, टेक इंडस्ट्री में शायद फीमेल्स का इंटरेस्ट रिलेटिवली कम होता है एज कम्पेयर टू मेल्स. लेकिन उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. क्या उनको यूनिवर्सिटीज एक्सेप्ट करी हैं, उनको इंडस्ट्रीज एक्सेप्ट करी हैं, और जब वो एक दफा स्टेप इन कर लेती हैं तो क्या उनके लिए एनवायरनमेंट कंड्यूसिव है? आर वी गोइंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन?
definitely, like if you, because it's a way out. Like if you see the population of Pakistan, if 51% are females and 49% are males, and even so you cannot like just take 51% out of the proportion. And so one is this compelling reason that we are women dominating society, so we should encourage them. And in tech industry as well, like because the talent is very very rare now, because if you see there are 20,000 software graduates every year, but only 5,000 of them are employable. So the government and Pasha, the Pakistan Software House Association, they are all trying their best to like have the female uh, employees or female resources join the company so that they can fill the gaps. So definitely need is there, and now companies are like remote companies are there, especially after the COVID. So which is even making the case very stronger for the females who were not allowed to go outside of their home. So now they can do the company jobs as well. So this is my take on that. Like it's a must. Otherwise, we already are lagging behind, and we will lag behind.
बहुत अच्छी बात की है आपने, लेकिन मैं इसको थोड़ा सा पूछना चाहूंगी आपसे कि ये तो इट्स द नीड ऑफ द आवर एज यू डिफाइन, बट हमें घर से क्या हर जगह उतनी ही encouragement मिल जाती है, उतनी ही ईज और उतनी हमें फैसिलिटेट किया जाता है कि हमारी फीमेल्स भी उसी तरह काम कर सकें जिस तरह मेल्स कर सकते हैं? स्पेशली इफ यू डोंट माइंड मी आस्किंग, यू कम फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन एरिया यू मेंशन्ड, क्या आपके एरिया में किस हद तक आप देखते हैं वहां भी प्रोग्रेस है?
Like things are slow, but definitely, like I said, necessity is the mother of invention. So now the necessity is there, so people are trying. Like because earlier, if you were rich, but maybe in your second, third generation, you may not be that rich. So earlier people used to not to send their females out of their home for the work, but now they are compelled to do so. So if they won't, then they won't sustain for longer. So I would say that necessity is the mother of the invention. So and other thing that from my area, I see like people are coming out, but there are some burdens as well. Like because if they do a job, then they have to go to home as well and keep pamper their children and take care of their children. So, but now the earlier, I think the parents it was just a responsibility of the mother. But now in our industry, I see that the fathers are taking this responsibility very well as well. So things are improving. The pace may not be as per the likings of many people, but I see them improving.
That's a definitely very positive trend that you just talked about, and I think you mentioned आपकी माशाल्लाह अपनी wife भी working है, doctor हैं probably. What were you telling me?
Yes, yes. My wife is a doctor. She is a gynecologist doing the specialization, and my elder sister, she's a PhD doctor. She's a professor, and like my all sisters, they are doctor or related to this field. So they are all working women.
Mashallah. So that's a great example out there, just not just for your city, your country, society, your particular community you come from, but overall, that's a great example out there, that females can go forward, they can work, they can make a difference, they can bring change. And with the males like you who do think कि responsibility को share करना चाहिए, I think we do have some hope, inshallah.
Inshallah.
तो अब सीरियस क्वेश्चन को हम सीरियस डिस्कशन से बाहर आते हैं और कोई फन मेमोरीज शेयर करें हमारे साथ एमसीएस की.
Fun memory of MCS. I would skip that one. Like because I told you that I'm very introvert person. So I do have many memories, but I shouldn't say like if they were fun or not. But like MCS had a very great role in making what I am today. So I do have good memories with MCS, but I cannot recall anyone like.
That's okay. किसी फ्रेंड को याद करना चाहते हैं आप?
Yeah, with friends, especially I would like to shout out to some teachers. So, like lecturer Aisha Noreen, she taught us digital design systems, and one more subject I am forgetting. So she was well prepared, like unlike many other teachers who used to come and just waste the time. So she was very well prepared. And the second one, Colonel Dr. Namid Rao. So actually, he was my relative. So I expected, like, when I went into NAS, I expected that he'll like be lenient to me, but he never compromised, and he put a very strong check on me, and this really helped me a lot in giving my best.
चले माशाल्लाह, गुड टू नो यू हैड द राइट टीचर्स देयर. मिस आयशा नौरीन को मैं पर्सनली तो नहीं जानती, बट मुझे ये पता है कि वो यूके में है, एंड आई हैव रीच्ड आउट टू हर ऑलरेडी फॉर द इंटरव्यू. इंशाल्लाह समडे विल ब्रिंग हर ऑन द चैनल एज वेल. Very glad to know all about your journey. बहुत खुशी होती है देख के our youngsters going forward, माशाल्लाह, making a difference. और भी ज़्यादा खुशी होती है when you're doing that being in Pakistan. Of course, not undermining anyone who is doing work from abroad, like it does make a difference when you do it from your own country. We understand you probably face more challenges than the people who have gone abroad, but still you take on that challenge and you make a difference. That's something huge. Or inshallah, as the things progress, as the years pass by, we are hopeful that challenges bhi kam honge and we'll see more people like you doing work from Pakistan and making a difference, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much for your time. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Thank you for sharing your journey and the tips.
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you, and hopefully we'll like keep connected.
Definitely. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you everyone for watching. Allah Hafiz.